Feeling stuck in your finance career and looking for a role with more influence? Our advanced FP&A and financial modeling training program is your chance to step into the dynamic world of financial planning and analysis. This comprehensive program is designed to propel your career forward, whether you're a seasoned professional or new to finance. No prior experience is required. We start from the fundamentals and progressively build your knowledge. All you need is a laptop with Microsoft Excel 2010, 2013, or 2016. Why choose our program? We offer an all-inclusive learning experience. Deep dive into FP&A, master strategic planning, budgeting, advanced variance analysis, and reporting. Master PowerBI. Learn to leverage this powerful tool for impactful data visualization. Build robust financial models. Develop strong financial modeling skills, including NPV, IRR, and DCF. What else do you get? Flexible learning. Access all session recordings anytime, anywhere. Practical resources. Reinforce your learning with free PDF handbooks and Excel assignment files. Boost your resume. Receive a certificate from our ISO 9001-2015 Certified Institute upon completion. Expert instruction. Learn from industry veterans 𝐓𝐨𝐻𝐬𝐬 𝐂𝐨𝐝𝐻𝐬 and 𝐂𝐨𝐻𝐬𝐿. Don't miss this opportunity to build a solid foundation for a more influential and rewarding financial future. Enroll today.